Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the last of the 4 goodie bags. I told you I was killing the stationery pad, the stationery noted paper pad by Teresa Collins. I had 16 sheets left and I wanted to kill it, so I made some goodie bags, and I used these ephemeras and cutouts and punches to decorate, and these, some of the leftovers. And I kept them very simple and random. And so this is the last 4. So I have now 16 of them made up. Just for whenever I decide to give something out to somebody, I already have some bags made up. And they're just whimsical. No rhyme or reason to the design other than I was trying to kill the paper pads. And it's used as much of the paper as I could. And I wanted each one of them to be different. And of course, I will post these on my Instagram. So that is that. So I'm going to show you real quickly all of them. So that's that one, that one, that one, that one. I'm going to show you real quickly the other ones I did. That one, in case you hadn't seen those. But this was a good way, you know, you're really trying to get rid of some stuff and you want to kill your paper pad. And I'm glad, because I did it in a productive way and something that I can use. I think that's one of my favorites. And like I said, each one totally different. Just fun and whimsical. And I'm glad I made them, because now I have a stash on hand. So anyway, great tip for you if you want to kill some paper and to make some projects that you can use on hand. So thanks for liking, subscribing, and watching and commenting. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.